Look at the private institutions, the land which has been given in this UT Chandigarh at a throwaway prices, and still they think of they are private. But private is also a public.
But almost all heads of the industry oppose this.
Let them.
Even Ratan Tata, the Tata Group chairman,
yes,
he said the imperatives of competitive economy require that industry place a premium on merit, which means it should be, there should be no reservation.
If you know the meaning of the origin of merit, it used to be a meritocracy which were despised by the people, and now we are adapting it as a sign of, you know, progress and development. I think we must know, okay, what was the historical meaning of this merit. Second thing which I must say over here, when the actual society is so unequal, how can there be?
You can't leave out the private sector.
Yeah, you
Mr.
can't.
Malik, your view on this? Should there be reservation even in the private sector?
Well, I confine myself because I understand this whole focus is on scheduled caste, scheduled tribes.
Okay.
But my point of view is that Jat should be included in 27% quota under OBC. We are not against scheduled caste, scheduled tribes. That's wrong. As regards private institution, well, reservation, if it is there, it should be included in all sectors.
Let me make a point here. 1 minute. I must answer this.
Yes.
Jats are a dominant caste. Okay, they are a dominant in Western UP. They are in Rajasthan. They are in Haryana. They are in Punjab. Their origin is a single tribe, clan. Okay. Now, Brahmins in rural Punjab used to be treated as scheduled caste, and Jats were discriminating. I mean, if they look at a scheduled caste, I would like to. I have seen myself.
Just listen to. I
Yes,
think you
Mr.
are
Malik.
totally wrong. You are not to the ground. In rural areas, Brahmins do not share hookah with Jats. They treat Jats as scheduled caste. What are you talking? Brahman is the.
Tell him about Punjab.
Brahman is
Mr.
the.
Chatwal.
No, in Punjab as well.
But
Punjab as well. There is no difference.
Can I bring a point here, Mr. Sandhu?
There is only one caste among Brahmins which is still considered scheduled caste, and they are Gujaratis जो cremation ground पर करते हैं. They are the only person among Brahmin.
No, I'm not talking the legal position. I'm talking the social attitude of the people.
He's talking about the social attitude. Yes, Dr. Malik. You had I think you
I
made
had
a
a long
point.
stint in a government sector in the Institute of National Repute. Now, we had reservation at different level. The problem arises is that you introduce reservation. What happens to those people when there is competition at promotion or when they actually compete with the rest of the people? The same problem will arise in private sector as well. You introduce reservation, you have 5%, 10% or whatever reservation. Now, when the open market competition would come, what would happen to those people? Now, supposing somebody is in administration or finance or marketing and is come from reserved quota and is dealing with the open market. Now, how does he go and tell to a prospective customer that I am from a reserved company? So there's a huge problem.
Means, Bali ji, the private sector is socially irresponsible sector? Do you mean to say that? I mean, if people are dying of hunger and 70% people of this country are earning less than 20 rupees or 20 rupees a day, and you are talking of that competition and profit and what will private sector will do?
संधू साहब ये क्यों नहीं ना पूछे कि डॉक्टर ਜਿਹੜੇ बने डॉक्टर एक मिनट बाली साहब ਤੁਸੀਂ क्यों नहीं बोले कि ਜਦੋਂ 70% ਰਿਜ਼ਰਵੇਸ਼ਨ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੇ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੇ ਮੈਡੀਕਲ ਕਾਲਜ 'ਚ ਦਾਖਲ ਹੋਣ क्यों नहीं बोले जो चंडीगढ़ के बच्चों 70% पोस्टां उन्होंने ली ने क्यों नहीं बोले अज तक
ਚਲੋ ਸਪੈਸਿਫਿਕ ਇਨਸਟੈਂਸਸ ਚ ਆ ਗਏ ਨਾ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਪੁੱਛਣਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦਾ ਚਤੁਰ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਕਿ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਰਿਜ਼ਰਵੇਸ਼ਨ ਬੈਟਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਕਿ ਅਫਰਮੇਟਿਵ ਐਕਸ਼ਨ ਬੈਟਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਵੀ ਸੋ ਦੈਟ ਯੂ ਪ੍ਰੋਵਾਈਡ ਫੈਸਿਲਿਟੀਜ਼ ਟੂ ਵੇਰੀਅਸ ਬੋਥ ਬੈਕਵਰਡ ਸੈਗਮੈਂਟਸ ਆਫ ਸੋਸਾਇਟੀ ਟੂ ਰਾਈਜ਼ ਇਨ ਲਾਈਫ
नो यू आर 100% राइट
जी
अंडर आर्टिकल 16(1)
जी
we can take affirmative action
जी
grant them some concessions, but the unfortunate part is that neither the member of the scheduled caste have been given any benefit of the affirmative action, and I have repeatedly said it that the judgment of the Supreme Court are obeyed the moment they come against the members of the scheduled caste. They are not obeyed.
ਓਕੇ ਨਾਓ ਇਹਦੇ ਚ ਇੱਕ ਰਿਸਕ ਚਤੁਰ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ ਜੋ ਤਾਮਿਲਨਾਡੂ ਜਿਸ ਵੇਲੇ ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ ਤਾਮਿਲਨਾਡੂ 2008-2009 ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ only 3% of the total seats were left for the forward classes, and I think 9% in the open competition. This is out of the total seats and 9% in the open competition, which is less than the total number of people in the from the forward classes.
Consistently दो चीजें कही हैं जो लेटेस्ट है नागराज आफ्टर द 85th amendment. उन्होंने कहा है कि not more than 50% seat should be reserved for the members of not only scheduled caste, scheduled tribe or anybody else.
पर states तो इन्हों oppose कर रही हैं ना जी.
I'm saying, no, जो है. Secondly, so far the backward classes are concerned, उन्होंने ये भी कहा है that the creamy labor shall have to be removed. And in case of what Mr. Malik has said, the review is that those persons in backwards, so far the scheduled castes are concerned, they are based on the on the birth. They are on birth.
Right. Mr. Malik, I want to come back to you. Now, there was a talk of the Jats in Haryana being, the privileged section of society. A lot of people feel, since you are also the head of the police force, that the police force in Haryana has a very high percentage of Jats. Has a proper study been done? Do you have statistics available? Is that
So
right?
is in politics, sir.
Yes, I have.
Just because no other community, it relates to Jats as well, Jat 6, want to join the defense forces or the police forces. They do their own business, or like Mahajans, they indulge in business, other they do their technical jobs.
So that is why they are there.
That's why they are there. They prefer. That's why they are there. Moreover,
Brahmins of Maja
Just a
are
second.
stronger than any community in the country.
But they are not going to go to the police force. That's what he's saying.
Nobody
Why?
recruit them.
Just
Let's
a
go
second.
beyond police. Do we have data to show that in bureaucracy or in as politics or member of legislature of Haryana, how many percentage is occupied by the Jats?
Yes.
It's not a Jat is the dominant
Just a
community
second.
only in police because of their background.
Because
of
they-
martial
I
law.
don't think there
But
are
anyway-
large numbers in the civil services, Dr. Bali.
I will tell you.
Sandhu,
You
sir,
have
there
asked
is
me
a-
the- I will
very
give you
small.
the figure.
They
I
are
will give you
most
the
important
figure.
posts.
Just a second. As regards, they say कि Jats are dominant. If you go by the data, the non-Jats chief ministers have been from other community. They are more in number than the Jats. That is a fact. Like Brahmans and Agarwal Samaj and these two communities and Punjabis. Their population in Haryana, in Punjabi 8%, and they are in class 1 service 38.10%. Like Baniyas, they are 5%. Their representation in services in Haryana in gazetted class, it is 28%. Whereas Jats,
Right.
they are just not even 10%.
I'm asking
Professor
one simple-
Manjeet Singh, what is the situation in the academic institutions?
about reservation.
About the reservation in the sense that are certain classes getting more seats in the academic field as far as the professors and lecturers are concerned?
I don't think there is any data available, but there is a reservation.
But
reservation
the
is
fact
actually
is,
fulfilled.
in
But
Punjab
the point
University-
which I am making, which
Ek minute,
you
ek
are-
minute.
1 minute.
In Punjab
Sir,
University-
Sir, 1 minute. I think the point of today's debate is that there is a more politicking on reservation and the actual benefits of reservation for
Has
which
not
it
gone
was
to
when
the-
it's not percolating. I think one question, one message should go very clearly that that reservation, it's a high time it should be reviewed so that it actually is used for the empowerment of the people who are disempowered. Second, I'm asking one question to Mr. Malik. If Jats needs reservation, who is discriminating Jats? If scheduled caste in the rural areas in Haryana and Punjab and everywhere, if they are being discriminated, who is discriminating them? They are Jats. I think what type of mockery we are making of this reservation.
वैसे एक
Just a minute, Dr. Bali,
Let me
let's-
clear my point. He is probably dealing with the theory only. We are feeling discriminated against. I will tell you the fact. Sardar Gurnaam Singh Commission in 1990, he gave a report and he said that these 10 communities should be included in OBC category, including Jats, Jat Sikhs, Bisnois, Lohar, Ahirs, Tyagis and Sainis, Gujars, etc. Chaudhry Bhajanlal came. He filed a writ in the Supreme Court, got it filed PIL, and he said that I am going to cancel this notification. He cancelled the notification issued by the Haryana government in 1991 and excluded only Jat, Jat Sikhs from OBC category and included all other communities
Okay.
in OBC category.
Dr. Bali, now
बाकी गिरा गया।
we were all talking about the Mandal Commission. Looking back now, Mandal Commission is behind us. The whole agitation, did it prove to be a boon or a bane?
I think it's a very, very complex question because it will normally take about 20-25 years. You can look at an event in a dispassionate manner.
But it brought
we have
into the focus.
Yeah,
at
we
least.
have been associated with this Mandal Commission for a very significant amount of time. The question is, it raised the problem, yes, but the solution probably is not.
It could not.
It could not match up. It probably was the worst. Now we have set into motion divisive forces which we are finding very difficult to control today.
Which are
you go to Uttar Pradesh, you go to UP, for
which are
example,
now
where it started.
controlling,
Where it started.
more people are not.
Today you
demanding
go
as
to a bureaucrat's office in UP, they don't ask you what is your job or what you come for. They first ask you what is your cost. It is so amazing.
Now
you
tell
know.
me, since you worked at the PGI, now you are working in the private sector in the Fortis now. Is it actually the reservation? Is it leading to a brain drain of sorts?
Oh, definitely yes, because you talk to younger people and now they have got reconciled to the fact.
Manjeet Singh, is it leading to a brain drain? The continuing reservation.
Brain drain from where?
A lot of people are wanting to leave this country because they're not getting jobs and they want to go for jobs abroad.
I think casteism is not the source of a brain
Reservations?
drain. I think it's the person. No, that reservation. It's a
ਤੁਸੀਂ
personal.
ਡਿਬੇਟ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਕਰੋ ਬੰਦ 80 ਤੋਂ 90% ਸੀਟਾਂ ਜਿੰਨੀਆਂ ਐਡਮਿਸ਼ਨ ਹੋਈਆਂ ਕੁੜੀਆਂ ਲੈ ਗਈਆਂ ਹੁਣ ਕੱਲ ਨੂੰ ਕਹੋਗੇ ਕੁੜੀਆਂ ਕੱਢ ਦਿਓ
No. But his question is, I think if people are going out, there are also some of them coming back, because when there is a recession and people are going for personal aggrandizement, not talking about personal choice.
No, you look at 90s.
Right.
90s. The 90s parents would train their children with the idea that they would go to Indian institutions, Indian universities. So that was the middle class.
So that's not happening.
thinking
A
like
lot of
that.
them have to
Now they have got reconciled to the fact that we're not going to get job here. So let's prepare for GMAT, prepare for other people, go.
Ali, they're not-
it's a change.
No.
But Mr. Malik, now we were all talking about, you all also agree that it's time for a review of the reservation system?
No, I always say, I started with my talk with that after 10 years, as it was the policy by Dr. Ambedkar also, it was earlier meant
Should
for
have
10
been
years only, it should be reviewed.
I think Mr. Chatrat does not agree with that.
No, I say my one point, so far the scheduled caste and the scheduled tribe are concerned, there should be one evaluation that whatever has been said on the stage, what is said in the books, is it correct that it has gone back to the scheduled caste and the scheduled tribe?
Well, if it doesn't, if the benefits haven't gone to them, I think you can't carry on with the reservations endlessly, can you?
I have said it that from 82 till date, members of severe person retired belonging to the scheduled caste and non-scheduled caste who lost in the courts, they retired as a head of the institution.
No, we
and
have a
as-
situation where
I can
the
give the
parliament or the assembly, the dominant community, the dominant political class decides that they should have benefit for themselves. You look at salary, for example.
Absolutely.
The member of parliament decides
the Bali,
that there is no salary.
that's a different area altogether. I think we
Similar.
debate the salaries of the parliamentarians separately.
Mr. Bali,
Well,
Mr. Bali,
since we are running out of
Mr.
time,
Bali,
I think I'll have to
let us
close.
say it one thing. Now I am earning few lakhs a month. I used to get rupees 300 a month. When I was serving, I was starving. When I am now earning, I have become honest because then I was a dishonest. Because
Anyway,
I was
that's a
serving
separate issue altogether, but I think we all kind of agree to disagree that I think
my
it's time
PM
for
was to
a
would like
review
to-
of the reservation system.
I think reservation
at least
for
3 or
scheduled
4 out
caste,
of the
yeah,
4
ma'am,
panelists are-
Reservation for scheduled caste and scheduled tribe should be discussed separately because there's a genuine reason, as been mentioned centuries old. But when we're talking of a reservation for a dominant community, I think we need to think before we go.
What-
Well, I'm not
Just a
sure
second, just a
Mr.
second.
Malik is not going to
What
agree
that
on
he
that.
understands by the dominant community, when a question of fighting with the country comes, that's only Jar, Sikh, Sahir, Gujjar, all these go and fight. If you count the 80% sacrifices made by these communities, when question of distributing, why this everybody is being included in the backward?
No,
I'm not talking about the
Well,
scheduled
I
caste,
think
scheduled tribes.
we could carry on with this discussion, but actually when you say a dominant community at the moment, I think Mr. Malik definitely by his physical appearance
dominant
definitely looks
forces.
dominated. Thank you very much for joining us in this very useful discussion. Reservations can be means towards the end of achieving social justice. Instead, it is becoming an end in itself. Everyone is vying for reservation. The result is friction and tension all around. Perhaps it is time to take the bull by the horns and fix a time frame to end the system of reservation altogether. With that, we end this edition of Day and Night Prime. We meet again tomorrow, same time. Till then, good luck and goodbye.
Thank you.